Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Travis Dykes. I just want to give you a couple of just pentatonic licks you can use wherever you see fit. I mean, just gonna play the groove and let you take it through slow, and then yeah, you just take it, you do what you want with them. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3. First lick. Second lick. First lick again. All right, so they're pretty. The first one's a little bit more involved. Second one's pretty chill. So we're the key of A major, but we're doing A major pentatonic. So this is all just utilizing the pentatonic. So this first lick, we're starting on the 1, and we're gonna do an entry into like 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. If you're into notes, it's A, B, C sharp, E, A, B, C sharp, and that's the very first part. And then this E right here, or 5. So, and all that is a just a 6, 7, 5, 3, 2. So, and then the last one. So, the last part is just. So it's like a 2, 7, 6, 1. Just so you can see my right hand. Just alternate each one. One more time, slow. Where I'm placing it is right when we go. So you go through the groove, which is 1, 5, 4. When I go back to the 1, that's when I do it. And then I'm back at the 4, and then back to the 1. And that's how you use that first one. Second one's a little bit easier. It's a little bit, I guess, a little bit more of a chill lick. So. All I'm doing is just kind of the same kind of concept. I'm starting at the 4, so it's 4, 4, 5, 6. So I'm doing 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Doing these 2 notes. This is the 3 and the 6. They're barring both of these. The way I'm playing into this hand is, so I'm playing the D string and then the G. So it's like, just like that. And I do it, and I'm pulling off on my this finger, my ring finger. So. All right, and that's pretty much it. Those are the 2 licks. I just wanted to give y'all something that you could work on and just have fun with. So if you like it, please let me know in the comments below. Feel free to hit me up if you have any questions. more videos are coming soon. They've just been in the works. Just get ready for it. And I just wanted to, yeah, I guess I'll just see y'all later.